Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out anonymous inner class. For doing so, let's add in a new class. Let's add the class in package org.steadyEasy. The name of the class would be shop, and this will also contain the main method. Let's add a yet another class by the name of door, and the name of the package would be org.steadyeasy.shop. Alright, so that's it. Let's click on finish. Now inside this door.java file, we would be adding a yet another class. The name of the class would be lock, and this class would be an abstract class. And inside this abstract class, we would be adding a method. This will return boolean. The name of the method would be is unlocked, and this will also receive one string entity. The name of the variable could be, for example, key code, which is good. Alright, so we need to also add in the keyword abstract to this method. Alright, so this looks good to me now, and let's proceed further. Now friends, inside our class door, we can try to create an object of lock type. Now as soon as we create an object of lock type, Eclipse starts complaining about it, and the complaint is cannot initiate the object of lock type, right? Now even if we have a method which is not abstract in our class lock, even then the issue persists. Let me show you. So now we also have this method test, and this is fully working method, but even though we have a method, we won't be able to call it using a object, and there is a issue. Now what is the solution to it? Now friends, the solution of this issue is pretty simple. We will take help of anonymous inner class. We will declare and define the method is unlocked at the same place. So this is pretty simple. We will add the pair of braces and we will override the method is unlocked. So this is how we can do it, and in here we are declaring the logic would be based on our string. If keycode dot equals to QWERTY, then we will return true, else we will return false. So pretty simple stuff, right? So this is how we can create anonymous inner class. Now friends, in order to access lock object, we would require a getter method for lock so that we can directly access the lock object. So let's create an getter method. This is cool. Now moving to our shop.java file, we will create an object of type door, which is cool. Then using this object door, we can access properties of door class. Alright, so using this door object, we can easily try to access the methods inside the door class. So let us try to do that. I will type in door.getLock. Let us test with test method. So now we are trying to call the test method, but as soon as we do this, Eclipse will start complaining, and the complaint is about making the lock class public. Now we cannot have two public class in a single file. There are two solutions. We can bring both of these Java file into one package that will solve our issue. Now how the access specifiers work is something which we will discuss in our forthcoming videos. Let us check whether this works or not, and if we check, now the issue is vanished and Eclipse is not complaining about it, which is cool. But there is a alternative second solution. So we will undo the change, and now we have both the file in different packages, and we will cut the lock class from this door.java file, and we will create a new class for this. So we will right click the package, navigate to new, and create a new class, and the name of the class would be lock. Let us click on finish, and this would be an abstract class. And let's paste the code which we have copied. Here we go. So this seems to be good enough. Now again, there is a complaint because we haven't added the public keyword or public access specifier to our lock class, and everything else looks to be good. Let us add the public specifier. Alright, so let me save the changes, and now everything is working properly. Alright, so let us test the test method which is executing properly. Let us navigate to our log.java file and let us remove the test method now. Alright, so this is cool. Now we will try to call in our isUnlocked method, which is an anonymous inner class. So let's do that. So we will type in getLog.isUnlocked and we will try to pass in a test string. Could be like test. Alright, so this looks good, and we will try to call this in our system.out.println statement. Let me bring this statement inside sysout statement, and we will check what is the Boolean value we are getting. So when we are passing in test, we are receiving false, and when we are passing in the correct string QWERTY, we are receiving true, which is good. Now let us bring the statement inside our if block, and now we will add in the required logic. Now we will receive the parameter of isUnlocked method as a command line argument. Alright, so this looks cool, and based on the value which we receive from outside world, we will print out equivalent messages. Now if we receive a proper input, which is the unlock code, then we will print welcome, we are open. Let us add in the else block, and in our else block we will print in a yet another very simple message, and the message would be we are closed now, please visit later. So this is cool. Now let us try to execute our program. So we will navigate to run configuration, and we will pass in the argument. Firstly, we will pass in the argument as test, and let us try to apply the changes and run our program, and the output is proper. We are closed, please visit later. Now we will modify the argument to QWERTY, and we will apply the changes and try to run the program, and yippee, welcome, we are open. So this is amazing. So this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day.